Hello students! Today, we are going to dive into the fascinating world of organisms and explore their basic characteristics. Organisms come in all shapes and sizes, but they can be classified into different categories based on certain characteristics. Let's start by looking at prokaryotic and eukaryotic organisms. Prokaryotic organisms, such as bacteria, do not have a nucleus or other membrane-bound organelles in their cells. They are simple in structure but can still carry out important functions to survive. On the other hand, eukaryotic organisms like plants and animals have a nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles that help them perform more complex tasks. Next, let's talk about unicellular and multicellular organisms. Unicellular organisms like amoebas and bacteria are made up of a single cell that carries out all of the functions necessary for survival. They can be found in various environments, from the depths of the ocean to the soil in your backyard. In contrast, multicellular organisms, such as humans and trees, are made up of multiple cells that work together to perform specialized functions. This allows them to grow and develop into complex organisms with different tissues and organs. Now let's explore the concept of autotrophic and heterotrophic organisms. Autotrophic organisms, like plants, can produce their own food through photosynthesis. They use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to create glucose, which serves as their source of energy. On the other hand, heterotrophic organisms, such as animals, rely on other organisms for food. They must consume organic matter, like plants or other animals, to obtain the nutrients they need to survive. Now let's take a closer look at some examples of prokaryotic and eukaryotic organisms. Bacteria, which are prokaryotic, can be found almost everywhere, from the soil to the human body. They play a crucial role in breaking down organic matter and recycling nutrients in the environment. On the other hand, plants are eukaryotic organisms that have specialized cells and tissues for photosynthesis. They provide oxygen for us to breathe and serve as a food source for many animals. Moving on to unicellular and multicellular organisms, let's consider the differences between a single-celled organism like a paramecium and a multicellular organism like a human. The paramecium is able to move and feed using specialized structures within its cell, while a human has a complex system of organs that work together to carry out various functions, such as digestion and respiration. Lastly, let's compare autotrophic and heterotrophic organisms by looking at a plant and a lion. A plant is autotrophic and can produce its own food through photosynthesis, using sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. In contrast, a lion is heterotrophic and must hunt and consume other animals for energy. Each organism has adapted to its environment in a unique way to survive and thrive. In conclusion, the characteristics of organisms can vary greatly, but they all share a common goal of survival and reproduction. By understanding these differences, we can appreciate the complexity and diversity of life on Earth. Remember to observe and respect the natural world around you, as each organism plays a vital role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystem. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of organisms, and I look forward to our next scientific adventure together. I hope you enjoyed learning about the basic characteristics of organisms today. Remember, the world of biology is vast and full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Keep exploring and asking questions, and you will continue to deepen your understanding of the amazing diversity of life on Earth. Thank you for your curiosity and enthusiasm, and I can't wait to see where our scientific journey takes us next.